Alright, 5.6 number 23, it says find the inverse of the function and graph the function and its inverse. Okay, so that looks like a parabola, but it's actually just the left half of the parabola. So we'll come back to that once we find the inverse. So let's interchange x and y and then solve for y. So we're going to divide by 4. So x over 4 equals y squared. And you can take the square root. So y equals plus or minus the square root of x over 4. But we don't want both of them. We want just half of it. So let's go ahead and graph our original in y equals x. Here's my y equals x. In my original graph, I'll do in black, it's 4x squared, but it's only the left side of it. So we know that 4x squared looks like this, but we're just going to use the left side of it because x is less than or equal to 0. So if I was going to sketch my inverse, it's got to be symmetrical. It would look like this. You can see that this, if you fold it across y equals x, it'll land on that one. So now we can choose, do we want the positive square root or the negative square root for this one, and we would have to choose the negative one for it to correspond with the one that we have graphed. So the inverse is the negative square root of x over 4, and that would be our answer. So I could see why, it's confusing to choose which two, but whether to choose the positive square root or the negative square root.